In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate web pages in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're browsing for news, researching topics, or just exploring new content, encountering pages in different languages can sometimes throw a curveball in your online experience. Fortunately, Microsoft Edge has a handy built-in feature that allows you to easily translate web pages into English or any other language of your choice. So let's get started and see how you can utilize this feature. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. If you haven't used it much before, Microsoft Edge is a web browser developed by Microsoft and is often pre-installed on Windows devices. Once Edge is open, you'll want to navigate to any website of your choosing. This could be a foreign news site, a blog, or really any page where the default language isn't English. Simply type the URL into the address bar at the top and press Enter. Now here comes the neat feature. Once you're on your desired web page, you'll want to right-click on any part of the page. This action brings up a context menu. If you're using a touchpad, you might need to tap with 2 fingers or find a similar right-click equivalent, as it varies slightly depending on the device. Once the menu has appeared, look for the option that says Translate to English. Click on this, and voila, the page should begin translating automatically. This feature is incredibly useful for breaking down language barriers on the internet. It means you can access content that would otherwise be out of reach, whether it's for pleasure or important research. Also, keep in mind that Microsoft Edge supports multiple languages, so you can adjust the translation settings to suit any language preference, not just English. To do this, you would go to the settings within Edge and set your preferred language there, but that's a topic for another video. As a quick note, while the translation tool in Edge is quite robust, it's always good to remember that automated translations might not always be perfect. So, if you're working with crucial text, such as legal documents or sensitive information, it may still be worthwhile to consult a professional translator. And that's it. You now know how to translate any web page to English using Microsoft Edge's built-in translation tool. It's a simple process, but one that is extremely powerful for expanding your browsing horizons and accessing new information. Give it a try next time you come across a web page that you can't read, and enjoy the doors it opens to a global world of content. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.